Ever wondered where all your money actually goes? You check your bank account, see the balance, but when you try to recall what you spent on, it's a blur of forgotten transactions. You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel like chasing a phantom, especially when you're trying to build wealth. We all know the importance of saving and investing, but the foundation of true financial freedom lies in understanding your spending. Without a clear picture of your cash flow, it's incredibly difficult to set realistic financial goals, cut unnecessary expenses, or even truly appreciate the progress you're making with your investments. And let's be honest, logging into multiple apps, sifting through bank statements, and manually categorizing transactions is a chore most of us would rather avoid. That's where a tool that simplifies spending tracking comes in, seamlessly integrating with your broader financial picture. And for many Canadians, Wealthsimple has become a go-to platform for investing, saving, and now, with its evolving features, for gaining a clearer view of their spending habits. But how effectively does Wealthsimple allow you to track your spending? Does it offer the robust features needed to truly understand where your money is flowing, or is it more of a basic overview? That's what we're diving into today. We'll explore Wealthsimple's capabilities for spending tracking, whether you're using their checking account, their new credit card, or integrating other aspects of your financial life. We'll uncover the ins and outs, the pros and cons, and ultimately help you decide if Wealthsimple is the right platform to bring clarity to your financial outflows. For years, Wealthsimple has been known primarily as an investment platform, making investing accessible and straightforward for millions. With its user-friendly interface, low fees, and diversified portfolios, it's been a game-changer for building wealth. But as your financial journey evolves, so do your needs. You're not just saving for retirement or a down payment, you're also managing your daily expenses, paying bills, and making purchases. This daily financial activity, often overlooked, is precisely where your financial health is truly tested. Traditionally, tracking spending meant either meticulously logging every transaction in a spreadsheet or relying on dedicated budgeting apps that required linking all your bank accounts, often raising privacy concerns for some. Wealthsimple, however, is uniquely positioned to offer a more integrated experience, especially for those who already use their ecosystem for investing and saving. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is spending tracking in the context of personal finance? At its core, it's the process of monitoring and categorizing every dollar that leaves your pocket. It's about understanding where your money goes, whether it's for rent, groceries, entertainment, or that impulse online purchase. The goal isn't just to see the numbers, but to gain insights into your financial habits. Are you spending too much on dining out? Could you cut back on subscriptions you barely use? Is your transportation cost higher than you thought? These are the questions spending tracking aims to answer. For a long time, Wealthsimple's core offerings focused more on inflow, deposits, investment returns, and growth. While you could always see a list of transactions in your various accounts, a comprehensive, categorized spending tracker wasn't a prominent feature. However, as Wealthsimple has expanded its offerings to include a checking account and a credit card, the need for robust spending insights within the platform itself has become increasingly apparent. So, what are the current capabilities for spending tracking within Wealthsimple? The primary hub for viewing your financial activity is the Activity tab, accessible both on the web and through the mobile app. Here, you can see a chronological list of all transactions across your Wealthsimple accounts that includes your checking account, managed investing accounts, self-directed investing accounts, and even crypto. This is your raw data feed, the unedited story of your money. But a list of transactions, while informative, isn't truly spending tracking until it's organized and categorized. This is where the filtering options come into play. Within the Activity tab, you can filter by transaction type, deposits, withdrawals, buy and sell orders, dividends, and more. You can also filter by specific accounts, holdings, timeframes, and even the status of a transaction. For someone primarily using their Wealthsimple checking account for daily spending, this allows you to isolate those transactions and review them. The key question then becomes, how does Wealthsimple help you categorize these transactions? This is a crucial element of effective spending tracking. Without categorization, it's just a jumble of numbers. While Wealthsimple doesn't offer a deeply customizable, AI-powered categorization system like some dedicated budgeting apps, it does provide some level of automated categorization for transactions made through its checking account and new credit card. For instance, a purchase at a grocery store might automatically be tagged as groceries, while an online subscription could be identified as utilities or subscriptions. This automatic categorization is a significant step forward, as it reduces the manual effort required from the user. However, it's important to note that the level of granularity and accuracy of this automatic categorization can vary. Sometimes a transaction might be broadly categorized, or even miscategorized, requiring you to manually adjust it. This brings us to another important point: the ability to edit or recategorize transactions. While the basic activity view allows for filtering, the ability to directly modify categories within Wealthsimple itself for comprehensive spending analysis has been a point of development. For more detailed budgeting, some users might find themselves exporting their transaction data to a spreadsheet or a third-party budgeting app to get the granular control they desire. This leads us to a crucial discussion: how does Wealthsimple's approach to spending tracking compare to dedicated budgeting apps? Apps like You Need a Budget, Mint, though its future is uncertain, or others like Lunch Money and Wealthika, are built from the ground up for budgeting and spending analysis. They often offer advanced features like setting up detailed budgets for specific categories, tracking against those budgets, providing visual reports and graphs, and even offering financial goal tracking with a strong emphasis on cash flow management. These apps typically link to all your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts, providing a holistic view of your finances in one place, regardless of where your money resides. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.